Open letter to my Lordship, Lady Chief Justice of Nigeria, Chief Justice of Nigeria, Honorable Justice Kudarat Olatunkubo Kekere Ekon, Chief Justice of Nigeria and President of Supreme Court. Subject: the illegality of the case of Nnamdi Kanu and its international implication. My Lady Chief Justice, I write to you from this Pan-African nation of Ghana, on way Gambia. Permit me first and foremost to salute you as the head of the judicial arm of government and president of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. I recognize your steadfastness, tenacity, and dedication in sharing the affairs of Nigeria's judicial during this challenging time. I also bring peace greetings from London, where you pursued and obtained your master's degree, LLM, from the London School of Economics in 1983. Your contribution to Nigerian jurisprudence through landmark judgments spanning constitutional law, criminal justice, and election petition are widely recognized and respected. As a fellow African, I deeply appreciate your accomplishment and commitment to the rule of law. My Lady Chief Justice, I write not as a Nigerian but as an African born in Uganda and residing in the United Kingdom. As a product of Commonwealth legal tradition, as an elder, I believe we share a responsibility to speak truth about challenges confronting many African nations. Nigeria, as a member of the Commonwealth, is bound by its constitutional values, judicial ethics, and obligations under international law. In the matter of Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, multiple courts, both domestic and international, have declared his extraordinary rendition and detention unlawful. Lady Chief Justice, in jurisprudence, when proceedings are tainted by illegality, they are discontinued so as to erode the credibility of the courts. The Nigeria courts have already ruled on the illegality, and international bodies have echoed the same. Late Chief Justice, therefore, I ask, what is left of the case? Who, indeed, is being tried in your court if the very foundation is illegality? The continued trial appear as a hot air case, illegal in its origin, illegal in its process, and illegal in its outcome. Such proceedings risk undermining the hard-earned credibility of Nigeria's judiciary. Lady Chief Justice, furthermore, Nigeria's involvement in the 2018 abduction of 10 Cameroonian professors and lawyers in Abuja, despite court order for their return, remains a blot on the record of justice. Such precedent raises troubling questions about Nigeria's commitment to the rule of law within the Commonwealth and beyond. My Lady Chief Justice, it is painful that this matter must be brought before the international community for scrutiny. Why should the judiciary, an independent arm of government, allow its reputation to be eroded by political interference? Why should courts that symbolizes justice permit illegality to fester in their halls? I respectfully urge you, in your capacity as Chief Justice of Nigeria and custodian of judicial integrity, to take one honest and just step. Discontinue the illegal case of Nnamdi Kanu. By doing so, you will reaffirm Nigeria's commitment to justice, restore confidence in the judiciary, and strengthen the rule of law. May God bless and guide you as you continue to uphold justice in Nigeria across the Commonwealth. Respectfully, Dr. David Matanga, Pan-Africa Forum and Associate, based in United Kingdom. Issued in Accra, dated 28 September 2025.
You cannot claim to be the United Nations while disregarding the voice of 54 nations. It is not possible. Africa is no longer willing to wait on the margins of global governance while decisions about peace, security, and development are made without our understanding, without our perspectives, and without our voice. Africa's exclusion is not only unacceptable, unfair, and grossly unjust, it also undermines the very credibility of the United Nations, this organization. Africa dominates most of the Security Council agenda, provides some of the largest contingents of UN peacekeeping forces, and bears the heaviest costs of instability. Yet we remain the only continent without a permanent seat at the main table, where decisions about our destiny are made.